Let us begin this lesson with a question. I am a manufacturer of markers. I produce 5,000 standard markers each month. Am I a project manager? The answer is no. Manufacturing markers is an ongoing, repetitive task. Let's ask another question. A new customer enters my factory and asks for a unique type of marker that had never been manufactured before at my plant. Is this a project? The answer is yes. What happened? What is the difference between the first example and this one? The answer leads us to the primary difference between projects and non-project activities. The high level of uncertainty associated with the ability to meet a project's goals, simply because each project is unique. Despite the fact that some projects are similar to each other, each project begins at a low point of certainty of the project's ability to meet its goals. Fortunately, for most projects, this point is relative to the project itself and not an absolute low point, since we usually manage projects in fields where we have previous experience. However, the only point in which we have absolute confidence we can meet the project goals is at the end of the project. Only at the end of the project can we turn to our customer and say with absolute confidence, yes, we can do it. And this is the paradox. This low level of certainty and the low point associated with it is in fact the primary paradox of project management, since the most critical decisions for any project are made precisely at this low point. Making these critical decisions means making a commitment to a given project on the one hand, while delaying other projects on the other hand. Alternatively, it could mean delaying a project that should have gotten the green light. In new or innovative projects where no prior experience exists, this low point of certainty is absolute. For example, if the client were to ask the neighborhood cobbler to create the same pen and the cobbler were to agree to take on the project, that would be a project with an absolute low point of certainty, since he would be managing a project in an area where he has no experience at all. In such cases, it is crucial to utilize tighter planning and control systems, one that are operated through smaller cycles. Continuing this example, when the cobbler decides to commit to the pen design project, he should take into account that he will have to postpone a different project, designing workbooks for a manufacturing plant, for example. This might be a mistake. Alternatively, the cobbler may choose to postpone this particular project due to the inherent risk it poses to him. However, it may turn out that the state of the shoemaking market is such that it would have been better for him to take the chance and branch into a new field. There are no solutions for the paradox. Therefore, it is the duty of the project team to design the project in the best way possible given the existing conditions, to maintain control over it, and to ensure that the relevant communication lines remain open. So, understanding that we make many important decisions at this lowest point of certainty is crucial for us. Unfortunately, a paradox does not have a solution. The best thing to do is our job as project managers: planning, controlling, and communicating the project. And in this course, we'll go through exactly these pillars of project management role. In the next lecture, we'll learn all about success and failure of projects.